Hey there, Lisa here from LisaOnAutopilot.com. And I get this question asked a lot. What is the difference between attraction marketing and getting autopilot sales? For some reason, people can't just understand like the concept of both and how they basically work hand in hand. So I created this video for you if you are struggling with this question as well. So in this training, I'm going to teach you the attraction marketing formula for autopilot sales. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Number one, you need to know your customer. Who exactly are you talking to? What are they struggling with? And how can you serve them? These are the questions that you need to ask yourself, because if you don't know who that person is, you're never going to be able to create content for them. If you don't know exactly what they're struggling with and what their pain points are, you are never going to be able to create content that serves them. So this is step number one. Who are you serving? Know your customer. Number two, create a valuable freebie. Create something for free that will educate them and help them get a small win. I like to call this gated content. You're going to need a funnel creator for that. I actually use an all-in-one tool suite that helps me build all of my sales funnels. It's where I build my list with my autoresponder. All of the automated tools that I use in my business is in this one all-in-one tool suite. Number three, create attraction content. This is the content that will attract your tribe to you. This is going to get your audience to your gated content so that you can build your lists and make sales on autopilot. Step number four is to nurture your email list. You're going to be sending them free weekly, what I like to call subscriber exclusive content. So that's like free training, free tips and tricks, invitations to events like workshops, boot camps, and things like that, discounts, announcements, case studies, testimonials, any promotions that you have going on, and all that kind of stuff. So we really need to focus on, when we're building our list, that we need to actually nurture our list and build relationships through that list. And the reason why this is so important and why I always stress to build your own list is because if you're only depending on social media, that's a very bad move, because guess what? You don't own social media. Social media can shut down at any given moment. So you got to start building your list, and you got to start learning how to nurture that list. Okay, so let's go through each of these 4 steps one by one so I can paint a bigger picture of how this all works. So the first one is know your customer. So for example, I teach network marketers, affiliate marketers, coaches, and consultants how to leverage sales funnels that do all the telling and selling on autopilot. So here you know exactly who I serve, which is network marketers, affiliate marketers, coaches, and consultants, but also how I serve them. I serve them by teaching them how to leverage sales funnels that do all the telling and selling on autopilot. Because I know that network marketers, affiliate marketers, coaches, and consultants, they don't want to spend so much time in the DMs trying to prospect people on social media and spending so much time on their cell phones having conversations with people. They would rather create content that builds their list using sales funnels that does all the telling and selling on autopilot. So again, I know who I'm talking to, I know what they are struggling with, and I know exactly how to serve them. Number 2, create a valuable freebie. So as you can see here in this example, one of my freebies is my free class, Discover the Simple 3-Step Framework for Building a List of 1,000 plus buyers in 60 days on autopilot without chasing a single prospect and wasting time with dead-end conversations in the DM. Okay, so this is a freebie that I'm using to generate leads. And this is what I call gated content. And I will talk a little bit more about the difference between giving free content and gated content in just a second. So think about what you can create. What valuable piece of content can you create and give away for free in exchange for someone's name and email address? Take out a piece of paper, brainstorm, brain dump all of your ideas on a piece of paper and come up with the one that will most likely serve your target audience. Okay, number 3, this is create attraction content. So as you can see here, the attraction content basically is the no strings attached content. So this is things like YouTube videos and my Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Pinterest posts. All of those things are no strings attached attraction content. It is content that attracts people to me, that attracts my target audience to me, because I'm creating content that serves them. And then I'm offering a freebie, which is the gated content. And the difference between both is that one is no strings attached. They can watch it at any time on YouTube. They can go to my Instagram account, Lisa on Autopilot. And by the way, if you're not following me, make sure that you follow me over there, Lisa on Autopilot, on Instagram. And so what I do is I have the attraction content, no strings attached. They can watch it at any time. And that is the way that I attract people to me. And so if they're attracted to me and I give them what's called a call to action, and I say, hey, listen, if you enjoyed this content, I have a free class that I created for you where I'm going to teach you X, Y, Z. That is the gated content. Once they land on that page, they have to give me their name and email address. So the opt-in is required. So again, you have free, no strings attached content, and that's going to be the attraction content. And then you have the gated content so that you can build your list and start getting those prospects, your potential customers and team members and clients and students. Those people, you want them on your email list, and I'll tell you why in step number 4. Step number 4 is to nurture your email list, okay? So again, you're gonna be sending free weekly subscriber exclusive content. So things like free trainings, tips, tricks, invitations, discounts, announcements, case studies, testimonials, promos, those kind of things. As you can see here, these are just a few emails that I have sent out to my list, because here's the thing. People are checking their email all the time. And again, if social media, God forbid, ever decides to shut down, no one can take my list away from me. So it is absolutely crucial that you start focusing on building your list of email subscribers so that you can nurture that relationship, so that you can send email blasts out in bulk to your prospects and ultimately make sales on autopilot, because that is the end goal. And then after that, you just rinse and repeat steps 3 and 4. So if you love this training, go watch my free class. See what I'm doing here? I shared with you a free piece of content, and now I'm enticing you to go and watch my free class to discover the simple 3-step framework for building a list of 1,000+ hungry buyers in 60 days on autopilot without chasing a single prospect and wasting time with dead-end conversations in the DMs. You see how I did that? No strings attached. And now I'm asking you for your name and email address to get access to the gated content. So I hope you enjoyed this training. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, click the bell notifications so that you don't miss every time I upload a brand new video. And also make sure that you follow me on Instagram at Lisa on Autopilot. I'll see you over there.